Hi, thanks for clicking on School-Wide Specialist for Wilson Middle School. I'm Julie Menno.
And I'm Teresa Baker. As school-wide specialists, we work across grades with the students of Wilson under Title I. It's a federal grant that ensures that all children have a fair, equal, and significant opportunity to obtain a high-quality education and reach, at a minimum, proficiency on academic achievement standards. We know that now, more than ever, families need support with their students, learning at home, and our role is to be one more contact point for everyone involved. Families are encouraged to work with the Title I teachers in their child's school on the spending decision regarding the 1% of the Title I funds reserved for family engagement activities. Please email either Julie or myself if you have any ideas to share. We believe that a strong working relationship among students, parents, and teachers must be maintained to ensure a positive educational experience. Because we believe in this shared responsibility between the home and the school, a family engagement policy has been jointly developed with parents to outline the agreed upon shared responsibilities of the teachers, students, and parents at Woodrow Wilson Middle School to improve students' achievement. Parents are invited to offer suggestions for changes to this document by emailing either of the school-wide specialists. And as part of our family engagement policy, we have created a homeschool learning compact, which identifies the responsibilities of the student, the family, and the teacher in the teaching and learning process. Parents are invited to offer suggestions for changes to this document by emailing either of us.
As Title I families, you are entitled to learn more about your child's teacher's training and credentials, as well as if your child is being taught by a non-Pennsylvania certified teacher. We can provide interpreters to families whose primary language is not English and can translate documents as requested. Parents are also encouraged to suggest professional development topics for teachers and to be involved in the revising and editing of the school's school-wide program plan. All parents will be invited to help create, review, and provide feedback for the improvement of the school's Title I program by completing a needs assessment survey. This survey will also allow parents to provide feedback on parent involvement activities and make suggestions to help guide staff professional development for the upcoming school year. Please watch the Erie School District webpage for a link to this survey. New this year in curriculum, the ELA has an Into Literature series, and the math curriculum has adopted the iReady series. Curriculum information and resources are located on the Erie School District website at the link below. All student achievement standards in English, math, and science are based on PA eligible content, and that eligible content can be found at the link below. The PSSA exam is given in the spring to all students in grades 6 through 8 in ELA and math and science for grade 8 only. Students scheduled in Algebra 1 take the Keystone test in the fall. To measure growth, teachers use a number of tools throughout the year. The Classroom Diagnostic Test, or CDTs. Math uses the iReady diagnostic test. ELA uses the Into Literature growth measure in grades 7 and 8, and STAR testing in grade 6. The Parent Resource Center is currently located in the lobby of the school, where we have paper copies of the documents referenced in this presentation, along with other school-related information and some school supplies for your student. There is also a parent library with books to help parents with core class subjects, as well as help with navigating living with a teenager. If parents have a special request or need information on a specific topic, please contact one of our Title I school-wide support teachers previously listed, or our guidance counselors, Mr. Coletta for grade 6, or Ms. Peck for grades 7 and 8. Parents are also encouraged to email to maintain contact throughout the year. If parents would like to schedule a conference with their child's pod of teachers, the office may be contacted directly and arrangements will be made with 24-hour notice. At this time, most conferences are via phone to maintain social distancing.